Hey guys, zpolt turning back for another sound test, and now with the Guideray GR-i18. So I used this for 2 days already, and I'm really impressed by the Guideray GR-i18. Of course, a full review coming soon, but I'm really positive about the GR-i18, and it actually did remind me of the Blon 03. So I tried to use that here in this sound test. So this is the Guideray versus Blon 03. Let me know guys what you want and the comments below. So let's start the sound test now.
Make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.